How to use Walmart Price Scanner. Hey everybody, if you'd like to use Walmart's Price Scanner, you can either visit the Walmart apps, check price feature, a scan go feature can also be used. So for that, you can head over to the Walmart application, locate up the option called services, within the app, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be finding different options available. Within the services, you can look out for store tools section, and when you head over there, you should be finding an option called check a price. So you may tap on that option, and when you tap on that option, it will basically give you option to scan. So you can basically place your barcode right in this box right here, and that way it will basically scan up the product and it will give you the price. You can look it in type to check the price. You can look out for that option, and once you have finished shopping, you can verify the items and add it to your cart and proceed to checkout and confirm your payment method and scan the QR code at the register also. So therefore, you may follow this method if you'd like to use the Walmart price scanner and know the product's price. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.